Franklin Pierce, mechanical technician supervisor. We're going to install the Arges on the 2019 Ford Expedition. So what we include in the kit is a template that will adhere to the fender. It is the sticks on it, pulls back off easily. When you're installing the template, there should be a slight gap from where the fender and the template start and stop. We've got included lines here to help with the radius of ease of alignment. What we suggest is just a alignment check, just to make sure that there is a uniform gap around the body, like it would mount evenly to the vehicle. Once that's confirmed, then we can center punch our holes. So there are 6 holes on here at the install manual. And make sure that your holes line up. These are 4 main mounting holes. 3 different drill holes or drill sizes will be needed. You'll have one for a number 8 screw, a number 10 screw, and a 1-inch hole through the main part of the body for the wiring. Now I'm going to place the backing bracket inside the fender just to make sure my holes line up. That'll be the start of it. Now I'll remove the bracket so I can drill my 1-inch hole. All right, now we're going to place the backing plate in on the fender. This hole here that we use is a number 832. This is just to aid in help and hold the back bracket while you're assembling the rest of the vehicle. Now that will hold your back bracket. There are 2 foam pads. These have been pre-installed, but they will be loose in the kit. You as an installer will need to adhere those to this bracket in these 2 locations just to help the paint or protect the paint in the body. Install kit has 2 number 10 nylock nuts and 2 number 10 serrated head bolts that go in the other ones. Depending on vehicle mount, those 2 bolts might be in different locations. Please refer to the install manual for where those will be. There's a grommet that is included with the kit. The grommet goes in on the fender to protect the wiring coming through. We're going to install the vehicle specific housing for the fender. The gasket is installed. When you install the gasket, there's a lip on it that should be installed on the exterior of the housing. Your wire you want to have extended up through. When you put this on, run your wire up through and then place that down on the fender mount bracket. Press this down, then your top plate goes down. Now you can start using your 832 nylock nuts that are included in the install kit. One thing you want to pay attention to is the gap at the bottom of your gasket to ensure proper water drainage. What I'm doing now is just verifying that the lip of the gasket is not folded over. That's a nice, clean, uniform install. This is a bottom plate to mount to the Arges. This is specific for this style fender mount. So slide over. There are studs on the bottom of the Arges. Goes over, then number 6 screws are included in the kit. Connect your Arges to your connector. You will need to stuff the wire down inside the housing. You have your 2 mounting screws, 1 in the front, 1 in the back. 2 number 8 by 3/4 inch length Phillips head screws. Once your wiring is complete, your install will be complete. Total installation time of the Arges from unboxing to completion and functioning on the vehicle would be approximately 1 hour.